Though there is a lot of excitement about the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, leakers haven't let that stop them from revealing new information on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is still a ways off. One of the main mysteries surrounding Samsung's next flagship handset is its predicted major redesign, about which we will discuss later in the video. However, the camera system is anticipated to be one of the smartphone's most notable improvements. Both the telephoto and ultra-wide lenses are expected to have resolution and sensor size improvements, even though it appears to keep the quad camera setup. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's ultra-wide camera has just leaked. According to a reliable leaker known as Ice Universe, the S25 Ultra will feature an enhanced ultra-wide camera. The leak implies that this camera will feature an amazing 50-megapixel resolution. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, has a 12-megapixels camera with 1.4 micron pixels and already excels at taking ultra-wide shots. The two gadgets are quite different from one another. The resolution boost alone is exciting. You may already be aware that in order to get 8K recording, a minimum resolution of around 33.2 megapixels is required. When combined with the pixel increases, we may anticipate ultra-wide shots that may match those obtained with the primary lens. As a result, a smartphone with a 12-megapixels ultra-wide sensor cannot use that camera to record 8K content. Nonetheless, the wider viewpoint provided by the ultra-wide lens helps to produce more steady video recordings, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra can now record in 8K using both its main and ultra-wide cameras thanks to resolution improvements. Although it could lead to a slightly smaller field of vision, the improved 50 megapixels resolution offers enough of room for electronic image stabilization during 8K recording. In addition to the upgraded 50-megapixel 3x telephoto and 50-megapixels ultra-wide cameras, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also feature the 50-megapixel 5x periscope feature and the 200-megapixel main camera carried over from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, the synergy of an ultra-wide lens with digital stabilization could produce smoother 8K videos. Thus, it appears that the next Galaxy S25 Ultra will be able to record in 8K utilizing all four back camera sensors, and it could even let users swap between lenses while doing so. Consistent with Samsung's commitment to ultra-high-resolution primary sensors, the ultra-wide camera's 50-map resolution also allows you to crop photos after recording without significantly compromising information. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra 12-megapixels ultra-wide has more native pixels, the 50-megapixel ultra-wide does not. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.